Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling quite awkward right now just because I haven't filmed in I want to say it's been almost 2 weeks since I uploaded, and I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but in YouTube world it really does feel like a lot to me. Oh, and if you're wondering about this lipstick, I keep looking in the viewfinder and I'm not used to wearing bright lipsticks, but I wore this on Christmas and I really enjoyed it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wear it again. And funny story, this is a lip sense color and it's actually a review that I did. It was the very first video I ever did on my channel. So if you guys want to laugh, you should go check that video out. This was my very first YouTube video. So funny. I hope you guys all had a great Christmas. We sure did. I tried to stay off of social media, well, except for Facebook. I go on Facebook a lot just for family, but I tried to stay off YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff, and just really enjoy the family. We went and looked at Christmas lights a lot. We had Christmas Eve here at my house, and the next day, Christmas Day, we don't usually do a whole lot. We just kind of let the kids play with all their toys, and then it's become a tradition. My mom and I go to the casino, and we had a blast. And, oh, and then this past weekend, we actually went and stayed at my grandma's house for a little sleepover with my girls. We had a blast. She lives in a little retirement community and they've got an indoor pool, so we went swimming and the girls just had a blast. So I hope you guys have had a great Christmas. I hope if you've got kids, I hope you all are enjoying your break. I'm getting ready for them to go back to school. We got another week, but I do enjoy having my kids home with me because it is fun. We get to sleep in a little bit and that's always a plus. So I am doing an unboxing in this video, but I just kind of wanted to chat a little with you guys and kind of get some feedback. And because in the year 2020, I really want to be more consistent and more dedicated, I want to say, to my YouTube channel. I want to, I don't know, I feel like I've just kind of been slacking a little bit, and I kind of put out videos whenever I want, or whenever I can. And I want to get more of a schedule down, and I want to bring out content that you guys really want to see. So I know that you guys really like the farmhouse DIYs. DIY? See what I'm talking about? Oh my God. The farmhouse DIY. Anywho, what other kind of videos would you guys like to see? Do you want to see? Okay, so remember how I was gonna organize my craft supplies? It never happened. I started and I have not finished, you guys. I literally, Christmas came along, I threw all my craft stuff in a bin and it's under our stairs in storage right now. So that is still one thing I want to get to. Do you guys enjoy watching cleaning videos, cleaning motivation? I'm gonna still keep doing my review videos, if I get a product for free or if I buy a product and I want to review it for you guys, I'm still gonna keep doing those. And I'm definitely gonna keep doing DIYs, but I'm just curious as to what kind of videos you guys want to see. And one other question before I get into the unboxing, I want to know if I should do a giveaway. So I'm just over 11,000 subscribers, and I know it's kind of a random number to do a giveaway. So I'm wondering if I should wait till maybe 15,000 and then do some sort of giveaway. I want to do craft supplies somehow. So I was checking out Michaels.com and they had some really cute stuff. Plus I might go to Dollar Tree and maybe get some craft supplies there and give it away to one of you guys. But my question is, will you guys participate? Because I feel like some other friend YouTubers that have done giveaways, they don't get a whole lot of participation, and it's well, it will be for US residents only. So let me know down in the comments, would you guys participate? Should I do one? Because it kind of takes a lot of work to put one together, you have to go out and purchase the stuff and then mailing it out and whatnot. So let me know if you guys would participate. I think that is all the stuff I wanted to chat about. So now let's get into this unboxing. This is my January Simply Earth unboxing, and it's essential oil recipe box. If you guys are not familiar with this, I've done two of these in the past, and they contacted me and they just wanted to send me some free boxes to check out for you and show you guys, and I really am enjoying it. They send you 4 different essential oils, and then they send you little recipe cards, and you get to make whatever recipes they send for you, and they're so much fun. So let's see, my first month I made shower steamers. What else did I make? I made a rollerball, a diffuser blend. The Christmas one was probably my favorite because it had some really awesome scents. I made like a Christmas spray, room spray. Oh, I made a peppermint lip balm. That one was really cool. Okay, so I will post all of this information in the description box below as well if you guys want to check it out. But there's a link. Click on the link and then use my code WendyLeeFree, and then you will receive a $40 gift card with your initial subscription box. So basically it's $39.95 a month and you get the box, but if you order using my link, you will get a $40 gift card. So basically your next box would be free because you could use it for that, or you could use it for anything else on their website. You don't have to get the box every month. You could just order which ones you want. Like I know for sure that the Christmas box or the December box is a really, really good one. And a lot of times we will have our videos up before the month comes, so you can kind of check out what that next month is going to be like. And I will say though, they have been selling out around mid-month, so if you see something, a box that you really want, you better jump on it quick because they've been selling out. And on your first box, they will send you a big bonus box that's going to come with coconut oil, I think almond oil, and just some other necessary items that you're going to need for the other boxes. And if for some reason you do try to get a box and they are sold out and you're not already subscribed, then they will send you a starter box, or wait, what's it called? I think it's called a starter box. So it'll still be a good box, but it's not going to be the same as you may see on like the YouTube videos, if that made any sense. All that stuff will be in the description box. Go check it out. I'm rambling. Let's get into this. Okay, so this one, when you open it, this is what I see so far. So this is so cool that they send you, these are all the different recipe cards. So, oh wow, that one's got, there's a relax and detox foot bath. Ooh. Relief roll-on, refresh spray, circulation boost body butter. Ooh. Relief massage oil, and a meditation diffuser blend. Okay, yeah, so these are all the different recipe cards, and it tells you exactly how to make them. It tells you how long it's gonna take and the estimated shelf life. And then these little things are the little stickers that they send you. And you can just cut these out, like after you make your special little blends, you can cut these out and put them on the bottles. And then I like how they've got the little circles here. You can put that like on the top of the bottles, and then you know exactly what oil that is, because I put mine in a drawer, so when I open the drawer I just look at the top and I know exactly what it is. An avocado oil. And you're also going to get a little spray bottle and a little bottle that, let's see, it just kind of opens, so I'm not sure what that one is for right off the bat, but we are going to find out. And it's got the 4 different oils right here, so let's see what oils we have here. Hoe wood, plant parts, twigs, ingredients, cinnamon, and it does say child safe 2+. So that is kind of cool that it tells you like what, oh my gosh, do not look at my nails. I do like how it tells you what age groups this is good for. Oh, let me smell it, duh. I don't really know what that smells like. This next one is called Relief, and this one has rosemary, juniper berry, eucalyptus, peppermint, and copaiba. That sounds like something right up my alley. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Anything with eucalyptus or peppermint, I love those smells. And this one doesn't say, it doesn't have an age on it, because I thought that peppermint, you have to be really careful with kids. So I may have to read a little bit on this one, but yeah, it does not say. That's weird. But I really do like how that one smells. It's clary sage. Don't really know a whole lot about sage. I've heard, isn't sage like something you like cleanse your home or cleanse something with? Yeah, that stinks. Ooh, yeah, I don't care for that smell. But it does say it's 2+, and that is what this one looks like. I'm not a huge fan of how that smells, but I am curious to try it out in one of the recipes and see if maybe it'll smell good. Who knows? You know how essential oils are. Sometimes you smell them like by themselves and they smell awful, and then you put them in a diffuser and they smell great. All right, and then this last one is lemon. I know I'm gonna love lemon just because this is one of my favorite essential oils. I like to clean with lemon. I sometimes put it in a little spray bottle with vodka, and lemon essential oil, and I clean with that. It's just a nice natural cleaner and it works really well. So let's see. Oh yeah, that smells delicious. Just really nice and fresh. And this one is for 2+ as well. Okay, let's go ahead and what should we try here that's pretty easy? Holy moly, that one takes quite a while. We aren't gonna do that one. The massage oil. Oh, that's what this is for. Let's try the refresh spray. I wanted to try one with the clary sage, but I don't really have the container. The body butter takes too long. The foot bath is easy, but I don't really have a jar that I could put it in. And I don't have Epsom salt. So we can't do that one right now. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna do the refresh spray and then the meditation diffuser blend, because I want to put that on right now and see how that smells. For the refresh spray, we'll start with this one. So the ingredients are distilled water, witch hazel, which I do have some, the lemon essential oil, the hoe wood essential oil, the relief, and then the spray bottle. So it comes with the spray bottle right here. And then it just says to add all the ingredients in the bottle and swirl to mix. So I'm gonna start with the essential oils first because it's just drops of them. So it says 8 drops of the lemon. So here we go. Oh, shit, whoops, that was 9. Sorry, shoot. 5 drops of the hoe wood. So that's this one. I'm gonna pay attention here. That was more like 6. They come out fast. 1 drop of the relief. So this is the relief. I'm gonna do 2 just because I love the smell of this one. And I kind of added 1 too many on the other one, so. All right, so now the distilled water and the witch hazel. So I am going to go, look at that, there's like hardly anything in there. But it smells so good. Ooh, it smells really fresh. Okay, I'm gonna go add the distilled water and the witch hazel, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I just filled it up. Honestly, I didn't even measure. I just put a couple drops of the witch hazel and then I just filled the rest with the distilled water. So let's see how this smells. It smells really good. It smells really fresh. I like that. It smells really good. So now we are going to, what did I just make? The refresh spray. So I'm going to cut out the little refresh sticker and put it on there so that I know what it is. And there you have it. How cute is that? Have your own little room spray. I did go grab another little bottle. These are just the little, I think they're 5 milliliter bottles, right? 5 milliliters. And these came with my bonus box that I got. These came with the first box. When you first subscribe, they'll send you a huge bonus box of everything that you might need. So it says, if you just were putting this into your diffuser, you just do 2 drops of the hoe wood and 3 drops of the lemon. But if you want to make a diffuser blend, just to have it handy in this bottle, you are going to use 40 drops of the hoe wood and 60 drops of the lemon oil. And then from there, like, you just take this out and add 3 to 5 drops to your diffuser. So that's just, you're pre-mixing it so you don't have to do it later. How many? 40 drops of the hoe wood. Okay. Okay, that's 40. That is not all gonna fit in here. And then it says 60 drops of the lemon. There's no way that's all gonna fit. All right, well, because it's already like more than halfway filled. Maybe this is too small of a bottle. Well, let's just add the remaining lemon. I'll count it out just to see how many will fit, but I do not think 60 drops are gonna fit in there. All right. Okay, I stand corrected. 60 drops fit in there. Holy moly. It is like completely to the brim, but it all fit in there. I'm impressed. All right, let me close this without making a huge mess. Cool. So, wow. I can't believe that all fit. So then I just kind of like to not really shake it, but just kind of go like that so that it just gets all the oils like mixed together. So, oh cool. So this one comes with like a whole sticker that it has like the use, the ingredients, and then it has the child age, and it says 2+ on this one. love these little stickers. I think that might be one of my favorite parts. Just kind of wrap it around. That is so cute. How cute that little guy is. That is so cute. And then it also has the little sticker where you can put it on top too. So I'm gonna cut that one out and put that on top as well. And just put it right on top. So cute. All right, you guys, there you have it. This is my January Simply Earth unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. And let me know, are you guys getting the boxes? Do you like them? What do you think? And don't forget to give me some feedback on all the other stuff we chit-chatted about earlier. And just let me know. I just want to hear your guys' thoughts because you guys are kind of important to these videos because you're the ones that watch them. All right, you guys, I hope you have a fabulous week and we will see you all soon. Bye.